So then to Dr. Nazrin, my lecturer. So today I'm going to present my lab tool, which is the experiment tool for the automation. We design automation system using the automation studio software. So, all right. So, Omron could not be opened. So as there's some technical issues, so I'm going to just present on my work file, which I have done. So for this lab, for our objective is to design and select the PLC interface by using Studio software, which is the Omron. So we are going to develop, design the circuit using the Omron by using this circuit below. So this is my Propo A. Using a self-latching application. So which and here we are going to do latching, which is we are going to connect to the output, which is a C1 and C2 from the output 0 and output 1. So when and C2 our output. So this is the Omron circuit which I have made. So this is the latching one, which is and this is output 0. So we are going to have a closed loop closed system. So and this is the output 0. So and the we have another circle which is to output 1. So next is to run the system. So when this is a closed circuit, so the output 1 and output 0 will on, which we can see here is the start and stop and the latching 1 and latching 2. So here is the latching. So from the output 1, output 0, sorry. So next is for the experiment B. So for experiment B is to we have to design a better filling system for the dry bulk material. So this is a circuit where we have our start and stop. So which into the input 0, input 1. Input 2 is for the PC and latching for input 2 and input 3. So we have the output which is we have 5 output which is from output 0, output 1, output 2, output 3 and output 4. So this is the simulation. So when we have the circuit which is running for the output 1, output 2 for the circuit. So next, after we have the output 1, output 0 and output 4, which is already being simulated. So what will it will happen is output 3 will on. So this is it will on simultaneously, continuously when even though the output 0, output 1, output 2 and output 4 has been closed. So this is the latching. How to design. So what we can learn from this experiment is that the experiment we can do the self-latching application which we can make the motor more to be reliable and to be more efficient method. So next is to we can maintain the control system, maintain the motor running even though the control signal was removed. So next is the better filling system which we can test and automate before the actual implementation when we use this automation studio which is the Omron. So this can help us to design to help us let us know more about the design and how to solve the problem before the actual implementation in the factory or in our daily life. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.